Hello, hi again. This is Priyanka, and today I am again here with day 7 LeetCode problem, which is longest substring without repeating characters. Here we are given a string S. We need to find the length of the longest substring without repeating characters. Here, example given is ABC, ABC, BB, and here we can see we can take either ABC, this one, or this ABC, wherein this is the longest substring with distinct characters whose length is 3. Hence, we need to return with 3 here. So, if we talk about this example here, B is the only character which is distinct in this string, and its length is 1. Hence, we will return with 1. Here is here this is the string. How it is, like if we can't take any substring with these two together, otherwise it won't be a distinct it won't be a substring with distinct characters, right? So we have to eliminate set of these two. So hence this will be, so I will talk more detail about it in few seconds. And here is empty string where we can't have any distinct character, hence its length will be 0. So how it is, let me brief you out. So first of all, I would like to mention that this is a problem. This problem falls under window sliding problem. So here we are going to use two pointer approach, wherein I will be having a left pointer and a right pointer, left pointer and a right pointer, and this will be carrying a window of distinct characters. Alright, so from using right pointer, I'll be adding more characters. I'll be adding more characters from the string to our window, and we will check if this new character which we are introducing to our window, is it a new one or is it a repeated one. If it is repeated, then I will update my left pointer. That means I will start removing elements from left pointer. All right, and I'll keep on adding pointers from right. So always I will be adding new characters from right hand side. And when will be the case when I'll be removing from left hand side? Then and when only when I'm having any repeated element. Whatever new element that I'm introducing in our window, if it is a repeated one, then I'll start eliminating from left hand side. All right. And one more thing, here is a RES result which I'm going to use to track maximum length of substring. All right. And also we are going to use set. Okay. So sorry for this. Bear with me. All right. So here this set is a data structure which allows us to insert only distinct values. We can't have any repetitive value into set. That is why we are having here set. And let's see how to proceed with this. I'll be starting with 0. This left pointer and right pointer both are pointing to my first element, okay, here, which is P. Now what happens, yeah, so I will add this 0th element to set, which is P. I added. So there is a property of set wherein whenever we are trying to insert a new element into the set, it doesn't allow us to insert that element if that is already present in the set. But if we are introducing a new element to the set, it will accept it and it will place that inside that set data structure and return us true. Otherwise, it will return false. All right. So what happened here? We were at 0th position. I inserted P here and we got true. All right, so this is the distinct element which we are having currently, and what we would be having between L and R would be always distinct. As soon as we get any repeated character, before inserting that repeated character, first I'll make sure I have all the characters between between left pointer and right pointer distinct. Hence I will start deleting. So keep that in mind before starting with your code. All right, so P is the new element. Now I'll check if the size of this set is greater than is this greater than result? Yeah, it is, which is 1. I'll update this by 1. I updated this R by 1. So what R is doing, basically parsing through each and every element present in this string. All right, so now 1, L is pointing to P and R is pointing to W. All right, now I'm trying to insert W here. It got inserted since it's a new element to this set. All right, and what happened here? Again, I'll check if the size of this set is greater than result. Yeah, it is. So I modify it by 2. Since the size of this set is 2, and now I'll add a new element of index 2, which is W. But when I tried putting it in set, it didn't accept it. It returned with false to me. That means it's a repeating character. So I'll start removing from left pointer until and unless we get all the elements distinct between left pointer and right pointer. So I first deleted this 0th element. All right, and modified it by 1. Now I tried again inserting this 2 into the set, but again it said that W is already present here. You can't put that again in this set. Now I deleted this 1, then 1 in element from first index. Now it said now we inserted we updated by 2. Now what happened? I tried pushing W again into this set, which is W. It accepted that since it's a new element that we are introducing to this set. Okay. So now what happened? What's the size of set 1, which is not greater than res? A result. I won't update its value because this is the variable which is tracking maximum length of distinct character in a particular substring. So till this point ww, how many? So what's the maximum length of a substring where all the elements are distinct, which is 2. So here we can see PW. All right. Now I updated with 3. I introduces third index, which is K. I inserted this K. All right. So it got inserted. Now what's the size of it? It's 2, which is not greater than res. I won't touch it then. Now I updated the value of this, which is 4. Here key is the value that I'll be inserting. It got inserted. Then what's the size of this, which is 3, which is greater than 2. Yeah, so I'll update this by 3. I updated its value, which is 5, 5th, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, which is W, and which is already present. Hence it will return false. That means a new element W that I was trying to insert into set. It said that is a repeated element. You can't insert it. Hence I'll start removing elements from left pointer. I first deleted 2. 0, 1, 2, which is W. I deleted 2 and then incremented by 3. Alright, I incremented by 1, hence it became 3. Now I tried inserting 5th element, which is W. I inserted. So as we saw till now, 3 was the largest length with the largest length of the substring with its distinct characters. Alright, so we'll return with 3 as this as sixth was the last character, last index to parse. Alright, so on this part, if you guys have any query or any doubt regarding it, feel free to comment below, and I'll try to answer your questions as soon as possible. So here, in terms of code, what we'll do is we'll first check if string is null. If it is, then there is no way possible that we are having any distinct character, right? And what I'm doing here is first I'll need to have a character set. I'll name it set new. So this is an interface and this is a class. And set always carries wrapper of a data type, not the fundamental data types. So most of the collection does the same. And now I'll introduce left pointer. L denotes left pointer, which starts with the 0, and R denotes left right pointer, which also starts with 0. Now I'll introduce result as well with 0, and I will all check this as dot len. Alright. So our right pointer is going to consider each and every element, each and every value which is present in the string. Okay. So here there are two cases. So this is why I'm doing is so that you guys can grab it easily and you can remember this solution for a longer time. Once you're able to grasp what its intention is, you will be able to optimize it further on your own. Okay, so this is the case where characters are repeating, and this is the case where characters are distinct. Okay, so how am I gonna decide that? I'll try to add a new element into the set, and what that element would be is dot char at r. Okay, so if it got inserted, that means it's a distinct. So it's a distinct character. So it will come to this, since I have put a not here, which will negate whatever its value would be. Now, when the case is the new character is new, alright, then I will update my result. Size of, after comparing it with the size of the set, and also I will increase R. And in case when the new number which we are inserting is a repeated one, in that case, as I said before, I'll be deleting from left pointer. So set dot remove s dot character at L, then I'll increment it by 1, and at the last I'll return result. It's a compile, small, a minor typo. that has to always come. Alright, our answer is correct. So I think each and every corner case we have already handled. Let's submit it and see. Okay, it got accepted. Alright, so thank you for watching, and if you like this video, then like, share and subscribe among your friends, and thank you.